Yeah, anyways, guys, so I didn't even record. I just came from the shipping company to pick up my last set of packages. I won't be ordering offline for a very long time. I mean, like, it's too expensive. I don't know. I need to try to go to the post office and see if I can open up an account to see if they can ship mail. I think they ship mail. I have dye in my hair. I mean, my hands, my fingernails. Every time I touch my hair. That's the annoying thing about those rinses. They are very annoying. Yeah, but we're on our way back, my Brianna's father. I'm gonna open up his packages. I have gifts inside here as well for other children, one child. But yeah. So this is my package. Yep. Okay. Let's open up.
Let me close the door.
Yeah, you want to go? Why? You have to understand, okay? Let's see your clothes. Anyways, guys, so it's the next day. I was just on live and I was just about to put my phone on charge, and I remembered that I had the vlog, girl. Y'all like my little hairpiece? It's so cute, but I'm gonna turn it around because I'm gonna be hot. Cause I gotta cook, I gotta clean, and do all of that. Okay. I just had my coffee, so yeah. Let me take this off and spin it around. It's so cute. Like I can't wait to wear it. Okay.
Huh?
I'm still waiting for the live, the process. It's still processing. I did like a 30-something minutes live. Y'all go watch it because yeah, some little updates inside there, I guess. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna repeat it, but I need to watch these touches up. I'm cooking like chicken sauce today. Hey Brie, put this inside.
Huh?
Put that inside on the floor. Pick it up. See? Look. Pick these up off the floor. Well, you know what? Let me go change Brianna first. Then I'm gonna start washing up the dishes. Come on.
Can you put me in show?
So after 11.
Can you put me in show, Mommy?
You wanna go to the movies?
Yeah, I'm going to the movie.
Okay.
The show.
Let's put some more Brianna real quick. Okay.
They're so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, so pretty.
Thank you. Yeah, you're so pretty.
It's so pretty.
This one's so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, we done getting Brianna dressed. It's time to clean up. I have to clean up before I cook. I can't cook in a kitchen like that. I go crazy.
Mommy, why do you come but Mommy, oh my God. Going outside? I caught those there, Mommy. Come back in the house.
hot dog?
I want chip. I want chip, mommy. I want chip. Want some chip, please? Chip. Don't come on that. You better clean that. You have to clean it.
Okay, kitchen is clean. I have Brianna on the potty. Let's clean her butt. And then I can start my chicken. Stop. Yeah.
First,
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna boil my meat with some. First of all, I'm gonna wash this off with some lime and get my wings. So, anyways, I have also to cut these up as well. Cut them in half. I remember growing up, right? Like some parents will teach their children to cook, or their female daughters to cook for man. Okay, they will grow them up to cook for their husband and whatever like that. And to be honest, when I teach Brianna certain things, I'm teaching it for her to learn. Okay, it's for her to survive. This ain't for her to take care of mine. Okay, if she chooses to do that, if she chooses to be a housewife, then fine. But this is for her survival purposes. And that's to cook, clean it. So, like, even if you go to somebody's home, someone invite you over to their house to sleep over and shit, you don't just sit your big ass down and just leave your plate and people think, or you living with people. But I feel like when I was growing up, my mommy, the like she would always like try. I think that because they grew up a certain way, like they just learn what their mother taught them, and everything was for husband back then. Everything was for man back then. I feel like she used to make me do all the work and just let my brothers then sit around, right? I used to hate that. And that used to irritate me more, like when I used to clean the house and they just would dirty it. And I would have to do it again. I was like, and it's almost like some kind of trauma with me. Like if I clean this house and Brianna's father, like I remember he was worse. He just used to leave his clothes, socks, anywhere all over the floor and shit, and I used to irritate the fuck with me. Every morning I had to get up and I had to do that. And I realized that I don't know if because it's trauma or not, but I realized that I hate cleaning up after people. Like I only want to clean up after me and my child. Like I feel like I'm a servant. I could never get a housekeeping job. I think I tried it once, and I was like, I don't like this. I I don't like serving people. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like cleaning up after other people. I think it has something to do with me when I was a child, and then like I think people call me lazy because I used to go for the bullshit. Okay, I'm not cleaning up after nobody. You need to clean up after yourself. At this point, I'm just feeling like a freaking maid. And I know myself, okay? I know if I live by myself, I know how to keep my place clean. I always remember like when I was pregnant with Brianna, and I think it was like Christmas. If y'all go back on my old vlog when I was pregnant with Brianna, I spent Christmas here by myself. Brianna's father went on the island to his sister for Christmas, him and his family. And I spent Christmas here by myself. And I remember I spent like a couple of days, like 4 or 5 days here by myself, and I remember the house just being just freaking span every day, and I felt so freaking good. I wake up in the morning, dishes clean. I could just cook, wash the dishes, floor clean. Like that felt good. I had nobody to clean after, and I felt good. And like, I want my own place. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to live with nobody again. But that's just a little rant, child. Oh, it's 6 whole minutes? Oh. So I'm just washing my meat off and I'm gonna put them on the boil and I'll be back. Okay, so y'all, I got my meat on boiling. I'm just gonna wipe out this fridge a little bit because it's looking a mess. Okay? Like, yo, I don't ever think like I could be a housewife. I can't do it. I hate feeling like you don't appreciate shit I do. Like I'm not doing enough. I mean, I feel like men that who goes to work or who pays some type of bill, like, like I've been home. I can't speak for every man because I watched a video where I saw this lady. She said her husband, even though she works at home, like with the children and stuff like that, but that's a job. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. It's a job. It's a full-time job. Okay, you never clock out. And she said her husband still helps her when he gets off. You know, and that was so beautiful when she said that. And I didn't know like man exists that does that. But I feel like my child is a little bit ungrateful. But yeah, I feel like he thinks like because I'm home, I'm just supposed to be doing like everything. Like I get tired, I get exhausted, I get overwhelmed, I get overstimulated, everything, and I until I crash out, that's when he realized I want to be appreciated for the work I do. I'm not gonna lie, and I know I can do even more, but I can't do it for somebody who's ungrateful. I'm a mother and I never clock out. Like I be exhausted and I have to keep on going. I be sick and I have to keep on going. My mental health be fucking playing with me and I have to keep on going. So it's like, damn. Only thing you have to do is come home and relax. He could come home and relax. His off days, he could relax. I can't do that. He feels like it's my job. Like I'm supposed to. Like this. I noticed that. Like, I can't wait for Brianna to start school so I can get the fuck up out of here. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to strain my meat, and my belly starting to hurt. Go look at that. I'm gonna wash that pot out. So my meat is going back in there. I'm gonna wash these off like twice, but let me wash out the pot first. Okay, I'm gonna wash my meat like twice. We're gonna put them back on the board. Then season it up. My chicken on. Now just gonna season it. Go Brie, I'm gonna add some onions, pepper. This pepper isn't pepper. I need some real pepper. I'm gonna tell Brianna to need some pepper when you reach home. Yes, Brie. Okay, I gotta take Brianna on the party. Add some lime. You finished? I like mine slimy and pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. Hey, come in, Brie. Then you just taste it as it goes to see if you need any more salt, pepper, whatever. So this is what it's looking like. Y'all, I have to put my phone on charge, okay? My phone is dying. So I'll see you guys when the food is done. This is dinner. Chicken sauce and some Greek yogurt. You only have behind in the back there being rude. Okay. I'm about to deal with her right now.